Hello ladies, if you want to recreate this style, a straw set on Sisterlocks, in between retightnings, please stay tuned. My lovely model and client Vonnetta is between retightnings and would like a style that will tame her new growth. A straw set will do the job. First, moisturize your Sisterlocks using Sisterlocks moisture treatment mixed with water. The moisture treatment with water mix is a great way to keep your locks soft, smooth, and manageable. Then follow with the Sisterlocks setting lotion mixed with water. The Sisterlocks setting lotion offers a nice firm hold without making your locks feel crunchy. Use sparingly in order to shorten the drying time. I completed half of her hair with straws, but to illustrate, curl approximately 5 to 6 locks on each straw. Make sure ends of locks are rolled neatly on 2 straws so as to not have any ends not curled. Then wind locks around straw. To secure straws in place, pinch one end of the straw and stick it into its opposite end. If locks get a little dry, re-moisten with some setting lotion before rolling the hair on the straw. Drying time. Depending on hair density and amount of product used, drying time can be between 30 to 60 minutes long. Once your hair is completely dried, start removing the straws by pulling out through the ends of the curls. If you use flexi straws, avoid pulling straws out by the end of the flex to avoid discomfort. Look at those beautiful spiral curls. You can wear this style for several days before separating the curls. You do not need oil on your fingers and hands before separating your Sisterlocks. Gently separate your Sisterlocks from the spiral set using your fingers. Just shake those gorgeous locks loose, finger comb, and go about your day. This style can last 2 to 3 weeks. Clients I've done straw sets on in the past told me the curls can last even longer than 3 weeks. So if you are in between retightenings, try doing a straw set and comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. This is Natalie Tullich, Certified Sisterlocks Consultant and Brand Ambassador. And remember, always protect your investment.